Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry for going away and not coming back, but now I'm back and today we'll be learning some Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is basically a square plus b square equals to c square, and it's in terms of a triangle. C square being the hypotenuse, and then a and b square are the lengths. Doesn't matter what way you put it, and it's always in a right angle triangle, this being the hypotenuse, if the angle was here, this if the angle was here, this would be opposite and this would be adjacent, and if the angle was over here, this would be opposite and this would be adjacent, and the hypotenuse always stays the same. It's the one opposite the right angle triangle. So let's solve some questions. Okay, my first question. In a right angle triangle, the length of the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters, and one of the legs, let's use this one, is 6 centimeters. Find the other leg. Let's call this x. So our formula says a square plus b square equals to c square. So let's plug stuff in. The hypotenuse opposite the right angle is 10 centimeters. And then we know one of the legs, let's use b, is 6 square. And we don't know a, so we'll leave that as a square. And then, using laws of what we want to take the 6 away, and to the first we square it. So a square plus 36 equals to 100. Now we need to move this 36 to the side and to make sure a is alone. So we subtract 36 from both sides, which will leave us with 64. And now we are trying to get a by itself, so we square root both sides. So we are left with a equals to 8 centimeters. You can't forget to put the unit of measurement. Next question. Find the length of the hypotenuse, which is this one, if the legs are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. I'd say finding the hypotenuse is the simplest one ever, because all you just have to do is just put everything in. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to 6 squared. 9 plus 16 equals to 6 squared. 25 equals to 6 squared. Square root both sides. C equals to 5 centimeters. No arms work. Next question. In a right angle triangle, the length of one leg is 8 centimeters. The hypotenuse is 17 centimeters. Find the length of the other leg. So And this time around, instead of plugging it in, I'm going to make the question a little bit easier. Making x a, I'm going to move a square equals to c square minus b square, and then input my question in here. So a square equals to 17, not 8, my bad. 17 squared minus 8 squared, which is 289 minus 64, which is 225. A square root in both sides. A is equals to 15 centimeters. Let's go to the next question. This question I would love for you to try yourself. And the question is, in a right angle triangle, you're looking for this, and your legs are 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Solve to find the length of the hypotenuse using this. Try it out. Pause, and try it out by yourself to see if you understand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should know that imputing this 5 squared plus 12 squared, 25 plus 144, which is 169. Square root both sides, and C is equals to 13 centimeters. What if we don't have a question and instead we just have a diagram given to us? And the diagram is like this. And then this is 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters. What are we finding? What is the hypotenuse? What's the opposite? What's the adjacent? Well, we know the hypotenuse is the angle opposite to the right angled sine. So this is what we are looking for. So we have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals to 6 squared. Then we have 25 plus 144 equals to 6 squared, which is 169, equals to square 6 squared, square root both sides. It's the exact same question above, except this one was just with diagrams. And don't forget to put the unit of measurements. This was a really short video because Pythagoras theorem is the easiest thing I think you can learn. But this is just for when you go further out and we get into stuff like sine and cosine, then you need to know how to implement this Pythagoras theorem into the equations. For sine, we have so, ka, swa. That's when opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent, tan, cos, and sine really comes in handy. Knowing which one is opposite, which one is adjacent, which one is hypotenuse. And we can even go further into learning sine and cosine. But our time here is spent, and that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time, and we will learn more about this. So as usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share this video to your friends, and thank you very much for watching. Love you. As always, it's Damsy Tutors. Bye.